Ayan, madilim. Good evening, guys. Actually, it's good morning na. Time check, it's 12:24 a.m. And I have been trying to go to sleep for 4 hours, 5 hours now. Kaya hindi talaga ako makatulog kasi tomorrow we will find out kung because tomorrow we will find out if they accept. Kasi tomorrow we will find out kung accepted ba si Aiden sa school. So, for those who are new, Aiden is on the spectrum. And we've been trying to find him a placement sa school. And this thing is such a big deal para sa amin because it's Ate Lily's dream, or yung panganay namin. It's her dream na yung brother niya will be going to the same school as her. So, we've done everything. Nag-antay kami for reopening the application. We managed to get an application, submit the requirements, and then schedule entrance exam. So, sa school na papasukan sa school ni Ate Lily, they have an entrance exam. Pupasok si Lily sa school na to when she was in grade 1. Si Lily nag-undergo din ng entrance exam and it went well. So, I was nervous na kung kaya ba ni Aiden na makapasok. We were nervous na i-take ni Aiden yung entrance exam. Kasi kahit pre-K pa lang si Aiden, they have an extra entrance exam. And may mga bagay doon na kailangan or they must be able to do. At number 1 doon sa list nila is yung eye contact. And I mentioned this before sa ibang vlog. But we'll find out tomorrow. And then I realized ko ngayon lang, that's why I have the camera on, that it's 12:20. Ngayon, it's 12:27 na ng umaga. And I'm hoping na sana may result na. Kung wala pa, it's probably we'll probably have to check again in the morning, mga 8 in the morning. Pero just in case, gusto ko sana siyang i-check kung may resulta na. If hindi maaprobahan si Aiden, parang feeling ko I will go to admission tomorrow and ask kung bakit, to find out. And to see what we can do next year kapag nag-try kami ulit to enroll him or to apply to get him to the same school as ate. Prepare na natin ang ating sarili for all this, but we know that Aiden did his best and we have faith in him. We just want them to give him a chance kasi I know if they give him a chance, he will show them that he can do it, Medyo na-nervous ako. Anyway, ang haba ng explanation ko. So, I just logged in sa admission portal. Ayan. Accept. So, Aiden already did his exam over here, and we will go to his application result. Ninervous ako. Ay, wala. Ba't hindi naklik? Ba't ayaw maklik? Ayan. Dear parents, after the admission board meeting and redeliberation, please be informed that your child, Aiden, is conditionally accepted. Oh my God! Para naman yung ano ko na-receive ko acceptance is parang for college na. Oh my gosh! So, he is conditionally accepted to the pre-kinder level of academic year 2025-2026. So, since your child is conditionally accepted, readmission for 2026 to 2027, so next year, will depend on the evaluation and recommendation of the school at the end of academic year. Okay, so parang nasa probation siya, which is totally fine with us. Like what I said, ang kailangan lang po ni Aiden is a chance. Kailangan lang po namin a chance, and I will do my very best to help him.
Hello! Dito tayo ulit sa school. So, si Lily, Auntie, at saka si Aiden naglalakad-lakad dito sa school. Abang ako, punta ka tayo ng admission kasi enroll na natin si Aiden.
Okay, ready. Look at the camera. Okay, 1, 2, ready.
Happy face in the camera. Look at the circle. Properly. Happy. Okay na to? Ante, ito ama.
Here, here.
Happy face dito na camera. 10, 9, look at camera. 8, 7. Mommy check, ah. Mommy check. Stay there.
Patay na patay.
Okay, is that
Good morning! Good morning, guys! I'm back with another vlog. So, matagal-tagal na naman tayo hindi nakapag-film kasi nawala tong camera na to. But I found it last night. So, vlog tayo ulit. Saktong-sakto kasi pupunta kami ng school today. Dahil nung in-enroll namin si Aiden, nakalimutan ko siyang ipamedical at saka dental. So, kasama siya sa enrollment para ma-check yung teeth nila at saka yung physical health nila. Ganon. So, si Lily nakapag-medical na nung in-enroll ko siya. So, si Aiden na lang. Ay, kay Lily pala walang dental. So, ipapadental ko din si Lily. Kasi at the time, wala yung dentist noon sa school. So, ayan. Pwede naman si Lily sana na during class, ipatawag yung mga batang hindi nakapagpa-dental and then ipapadental check-up sila. But with Aiden kasi, kailangan ipiprepare mo siya bago mo gawin yung mga ganitong ganap. So, especially dentist yun, papangangayin siya, tapos i-check with yung parang mirror na bilog yung ngipin niya and that. So, kagabi kinausap ko na siya, sabi ko sa kanya, ganito yung mangyayari, i-check ng doctor yung ganito mo, i-check ng doctor yung ear mo, yung mouth mo, mag-aaka, gano'n. With light, so in-explain ko na sa kanya lahat, tapos dentist, tapos noon, and then binribe ko na siya. So, after we do that, we can go to ATC. We can go to Town Center. Tawag niya sa ATC Town Center. So, punta tayo ako sa Town Center. I'll get you a book. So, pin-repair ko na yung susuotin nila. Ayan. It's so cute. Oh, meron silang. Binilang ko nitong jeans si Aiden recently. Dalawa. Kasi baka kailanganin niya sa school. I don't know when's the last time na nag-jeans siya. So, this is gonna be new for him. And then, ito naman yung kay ate. Itong jeans na to binili ko lang din sa department store. Ayan. Tuwan-tuwa siya. Sabi niya, Mommy, I got 8 pockets. And it's so cute. Ayan. Tapos, itong shirt is from the school. Binilan ko si Lily na in-enroll ko siya. So, nung na-accept si Aiden, sabi ko, kailangan meron din siya. So, I got him one also. So, ayan. They are upstairs. At ako naman, mag-prepare for me naman. Bihisan ko lang sila. Get ready na rin. Ang susuotin natin today. Meron ako nabiling big t-shirt na black. Black na naman.
from H&M, I think. Ito to. I think this is the one. So, yun yung susuotin natin ngayon. Ay, ito na lang yung mga uniform ni Aiden. Nung nag-enroll kami, hindi ko na guys napakita lahat kasi talagang sobrang tuloy-tuloy para lang matapos na ID picture, uniform, sukat ng uniform, bili ng uniform, kuha ng libro, all that. Hindi na ako mag-makeup. Kasi may batang nabubugnot.
Products in your hair.
Yeah, huwag may handa. Dito na kami with Aiden. Lillipot. Ayan, dito na kami. Dito kami ng clinic para sa kanilang medical and dental. Oo. One size smaller lang kay Lily. Wala nung 16 eh. 18 na. Or 14.
Very good about the and straight arms to the side. Very good. 18. Alright. And here. Here side and there. Okay, go straight one. Look at mom. Look at mom. 113. Happy days. Very good.
On the car, it was first, this is the first gadget for it was like the light.
You will check your ear and your mouth. Yeah?
It's very good for me.
One
Put
ear
it
na
in your ear. Like mommy, mommy. you can
Mommy's
do
turn.
that.
Mommy's turn. Look. Mommy's turn.
Yes.
It's okay. Look it up. That's okay.
That's
It's
okay.
mommy's turn next time. It's mommy's turn next time.
Oh, Mommy's turn next. It's Aiden's turn first. Okay, Aiden's turn.
Oh, very good, very clean.
Next.
Oh, the other one.
Next one.
Hold your hands in here.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
And-
Very clean. Ah, good job. Listen to your heart, remember? One more again. Very good. Practice sa house. Are you excited to start in the big school?
What do you say to doctor?
You're welcome.
We'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you
See you tomorrow. Ayan guys, tapos na yung medical ni Aiden. Dental na lang, but we have to come back tomorrow for it. Kasi pwede naman daw sila kunin from their class. And we're going to town center guys. But I explained to them na with Aiden kasi I have to explain to him na magpapadentist, ganito ganyan. Kailangan alam ko, so hindi ko pwedeng bigla na lang siyang kunin tapos iharap sa dentist. Kasi dentist yun eh, di ba? Bigla papangangayin ka, so he doesn't know what to expect from that. Unlike kung kasama ako, tapos sasabihan ko na siya. So Aiden, tomorrow we have to come back for the dentist, okay? Because the dentist is not here today. They were here yesterday. Nagagalit siya. No, not mommy, no. Mommy's for next time. Aiden is happy now because Aiden is going to town center. Tawag niya sa ATC town center. Town center naman kasi talaga yun.
It's like me and Aiden.
Kasi with Aiden, kailangan trusted niya na yung kasama niyang teacher, ganyan. Kaya hindi siya basta-basta lang. First time yung pumunta doon, diba? Kaya medyo kabado ako. And kasi andun ako. Kung wala ako, tas ikaw lang, problema yun. Aiden, you go there na. Diba? Sasama siya. Parang nung entrance exam niya.
Oo.
Diba? Wala siyang galit-galit. Wala siyang dabog-dabog. Parang sa kanya.
Sumama agad siya
Sumama
eh.
agad siya. Oh. Diba? So, and then, maybe, baka bukas sa dentist, mas kalmado na siya kasi alam na niya yung gagawin. your book. Are you happy with your new book? Huh? Hey, Dan. What did you say, Bob? What did you say?
This is so good.
Really? What is? That bowl? Bowl?
Fish and chips.
Yeah? That's good.
I really like the food.
Yeah. What you having? Yan siya kumain ng burger, guys. So, by layer. Yan siya kumain. Kain. Appetizer lang. Kasi parang di ako gutom.
Aiden, thank you for telling mommy for us to come here.
Why?
You can watch movies over there and Guardians of the Galaxy there. And there's Venom and Despicable Me. Was it 4?
Maybe.
Or 3? And this, the food here, so delicious.
So, sobrang undecisive ko. Ang kids ang nag-decide kung saan kami kakain, ganyan, pupunta. Sila lagi nag-decide. Lalo na to. Kumain ng burger yung anak ko. Grabe si Lilin. Laki ng serving nito eh. Good, anak? Anak? Yeah. Aiden. Ayan. Nilaro na. Pero halfway there na siya. Oh, Aiden, go with auntie. Wash your hands. Mommy will sit here. Go and wash your hands in the bathroom. Go. Mag-wash sila ng hands nila. And we have also been to ano tawag dito? Healthy options. So I've got some gluten-free stuff para kay Aiden. Mamaya ako na ipapakita sa inyo kasi nagustuhan niya tong ano nila, cookies. And naisip ko pag nag-start yung school, kailangan meron siya mga snacks sa bag niya. And minsan mahirap humanap ng gluten-free na mga snacks. So ito, chocolate chip, pero at least it's gluten-free. Ayan. Of course, papabaunan pa rin natin siya ng fruits and that. Pero just in case, yung kailangan na madalian. I also got him some corn dog na gluten-free and chicken tenders doon. I also got ano to? French fries. So yung mga food na ilalagay natin sa freezer, bumili na rin ako. Ayan. But mostly naman sa mga Filipino food, yung mga ulam natin, mga Pilipino, naturally, ano talaga siya, gluten-free. Pero dun sa mga times na pag corn dog si Lily, gusto niya rin, at least meron kaming ihahain sa kanya na gluten-free. Or pag gusto ni Lily ng gusto mag-pancake ni Lily, I got him pancake and waffle mix also. Ganyan. Para sa burger niya, mustard. Yun lang, hindi ko binili kanina. Dapat bibili ako ng burger buns na gluten-free, but pinakita ko sa kanya, marami kasi siyang sesame seeds. Sabi ko baka, sabi niya, I don't like it, it has seeds. So, sabi ko, kailangan makahanap tayo ng burger buns na walang sesame seeds, na gluten-free also. Also got him some pasta and gluten-free covered pretzels. And ito yung kanyang gluten-free din po. And that. So, ayan. Come on, love. Let's go and find ano. Let's go. Let's check if we can find his shoes para sa school. Nakabili na ako ng shoes ni Aiden for school. Kaya lang medyo malaki pa yun. Para may options pa sa Dr. Kong. Dr. Kong. So, hanapin namin yung Dr. Kong. Come on, kids. Sama namin sa auntie. Sarap ng lunch nila. Dapat mag-order din ako ng main. Kaya lang, nag-appetizer kami ng ano tawag, calamari. At yun, busog na ako. Wow. Ikaw pa tinuturuan niya. Paano mag-checkers?
Wala naman kasi larong ganito sa kalsada.
Meron na.
Sa mga lasing.
Grabe. Ayan, hindi na ako nakapag-haul. Pero nasa bahay na kami. Kasi ang pinaghulan ko is yung kanilang ama andyan. Pinakita ko yung mga pinamili. That way, aware siya sa gastos bago magsimula ang klase. Anyway, dumaan din pala kami ng mango kasi bumili kami nung nakaraan ng ganitong slides ni Aiden. Size 30 yun kasi 31 na siya eh. Size 30 yung binili ko kasi yun na lang yung available, 30 or 32. Yung size 30 niya na chinelas, nung nagpunta kami sa football practice ni Lily, as in, hinubad niya lang saglit, biglang wala na siya, hindi na namin mahanap. Parang siguro may nakadampot or what from parang yung mga nag-practice before us. Kasi kami lang yung nandoon eh. So, hindi namin siya nahanap. And then, when we went to Mango, kasi bumili ako ng bagong wallet. Tapos, tignan nyo naman guys yung wallet ko. Look at the state of that naman kasi. So, bumili ako ng bagong wallet. Sale lang yon from, magkano ba siya before? Basta nakuha ko na lang siya 300 plus from Mango. Nadaanan namin ni Aiden to. Tapos sabi ni Aiden, look mommy, I found it. Tuwan-tuwa siya kasi akala niya, chinelas niya talaga yun na nawawala. And tuwan-tuwa siya na nahanap niya na yung chinelas niya. And tinakbo niya papunta sa tita niya na nasa cashier para bumili nga ng wallet ko. Bayaran yung wallet ko. And, ayan, pinabili niya. So sabi ko, okay na din kasi sale na siya. Sale na siya today. Nung time na binili ko yon hindi pa siya sale. Nasa 900 plus pa siya. So, this one is like 790 something. And then, we also went to Rustan's para humanap ng paunan ni Lily. So, I've got this sandwich box. Para hindi ako siplak ng siplak. Thank you, Bob. Para hindi ako siplak ng siplak. Citron yung brand na to. Ito yung brand na ng mga lunchbox ni Lily when we were in Dubai. So, okay din naman yan siya. And then, I've got another one, citron to. Ito yung gagamitin ko for lunch. Ang nagustuhan ko dito, yung ganito, pinaka-division niya is talagang sealed. Ayan, sealed siya dito. Tapos meron siyang rubber dyan. So, hindi siya magli-leak kapag may ulam tsaka kanin. And then, sabi rin ni Lily, mami, kasya dyan dalawang burger. Kasi pag nag-burger yan siya, dalawa. So, ito yung pang-lunch niya. Ang gagawin ko, sandwich, yung babaunin niyang snack. And then, for lunch, hahatiran ko siya kapag susunduin ko na si Aiden. Para yung baon niya, bagong luto. So, yun yung magiging ganap namin. And natutuwa ako kasi kasya siya dito sa bag ni Lily. Sa kanyang lunch bag. Pati ito, kasya din. Ayan o. Diba? Tapos may space pa dyan para sa spoon and fork. Ayan. Or sa banana, kung magdadala ng prutas. Ayan. Ito palang bag niya. Bago yung binili namin kasi yung luma niyang bag, dapat yun yung gagamitin niya, yung ginamit niya last year. Kasi hindi niya masyadong nagamit yun, yung Anna and Elsa. Kasi nasa 3rd floor ba sila? Lily, which floor are you in Montessori?
4th.
Oh, nasa 4th floor kasi sila Lily, nung grade 2 siya. So, yung digulong, nahihirapan siya. Meron naman sila dun na elevator, kaya lang isa lang siya. So, kung ayaw niya maliit, aakyatin niya yung hagdan. So, ang mas nagagamit niya is yung backpack niya. So, yun, sana yung gagamitin namin this time. But, hindi natuloy. Kasi, hindi daw kakasya yung bag. Actually, tinry ko naman siya. Kasya naman siya kapag pinilit mo. Kaya lang, sobrang siksik na siksik siya. And plus, kapag nasa ganyang age kasi, basta lang siya lagay ng gamit sa bag, either mapupunit yung books niya or yung notebooks niya, or masa-stress siya kapag hihilahin niya yung books. Kasi diba pag dikit-dikit ng masyado yung mga libro niya, tapos nakabalot siya ng plastic cover, pag hinatak mo yun, magdidikit, tapos pag hinatak mo, yung pinaka-cover gaganon. Ang gaganyan. Basta nag-roll siya. So, possible na masira yung books niya. And mahirapan siyang magbalik at pasok ng books. So, ito yung gamit niya ngayon. So, we had to get a new one, which is yung malaki. Super laki. Inantuhin namin to kasi nawala ng stock. Feeling ko marami silang sa klase na ganito yung bag. Pare-parehas yung bag. Ang gusto niya sana, ang paborito niya kasing Sanrio character is si Melody. Kaya lang walang Melody. Meron lang si Kuromi, tapos yung sama-sama sila, at saka si Cinnamon Roll. Kaya, sa Cinnamon Roll na lang. Kasi, sabi ko rin naman sa kanya, yung first bag mo nung grade 1, yung bag mo ng grade 1 is color pink. Tapos, second grade is purple. So, ngayon naman, sabi ko, blue naman. At pumayag naman siya. So, yan. So cute. Look at it. Huh? It lights up. Is that fun? Like Ace bag. Like that. Ayan. So, sa loob ng bag niya, ito yung laman. Mas may space na siya. Teka, hindi ko mapakita. Wait lang, anak. So, ito na siya. Wala pa yung mga pencil case niya dito, crayons, mga ganyan. So, ayan yung box niya, yung notebooks. May kulang pa tong libro niya kasi may isa pa kaming hindi nakukuha sa school. And then yung envelope niya para hindi niya nabitbit. Kasi pag bitbit niya to guys, na ano din, ano tawag dun? Pag mabilisang okay, uwian na, hindi niya na nasasara, ang gulo-gulo na ng gamit niya. So at least ito, ayan, madali lang siya. Kasi meron din sila mga whiteboard dyan, ano, etc. Nasaan na yung flute mo, anak? Anak?
There.
Nasaan?
No, there. No, bottom.
Find Aiden's flute. Where's Aiden's Lily's flute?
Okay, I'll get the food.
Lagay mo dito yung flute mo. So, ayan. Plus, itong isang book niya.
Here, mommy.
Yeah. Itong isang, ayan o, tinan nyo, pag hinatak mo, tapos dikit-dikit siya. Nagaganyan. So, kailangan nating ayusin ulit yan. Para hindi siksikan. But imagine nyo yung maliit na ganito. Parang ganyang size lang siya. Thank you. May flute na rin sila kasi for music class. Mag-aaral sila mag-play ng flute. Ganyan siya. Ayan o, masisira yung book niya talaga. Anyway, tapos meron na silang penmanship na workbook. Masyado siyang mataas. So kapag mataas. So kapag nakalagay siyang ganun sa bag ni Lily, nakaganyan pa yan. Hindi siya talaga kasya. So ayun, yung bag na pinagliitan, bigay na lang namin sa pinsan ni Lily. Hindi naman siya masasayang totally. Pero, ayun. But with Lily kasi, she don't really care kung anong gagamitin niya, kung yung last year pa niya. She doesn't really care parang sa bagong books. Hindi ko nga gets eh.
Mommy, let's go. Mommy, let's go to bed.
Naantok na yung bata. Anyway, ayan. So, 1 minute. So, alam niyo tayo, di ba? Nung mga bata tayo, pag gusto natin na-excite tayo, meron tayong bagong bag, pag pasukan. Itong anak ko, iba. Sa kanya, kahit bago or luma yung shoes niya, your bag niya, wala siyang kiber. Lils, Lily, did you want to have a new bag for school before?
Yeah, because Tita Misty said it should be bigger.
Because Tita Misty, no, before Tita Misty talk to you, did you want a new bag?
Not really.
No.
Because I already have one.
You already have one, no? And then your shoes, school shoes, did you want a new one?
Before I tried it on. Yeah.
The school shoes, did you want one? A new one?
Yeah.
Okay. So with Lily, wala siyang kiber kung bago yung bag niya or not. Kaya sabi ko nga sa kanya, ako pa yung nagtatanong sa kanya nung umpisa, do you wanna buy a new one? Sabi niya, no, I'll use this. And then pag napapadaan kami sa department store, tapos may mga bags doon, Lily, do you want this? Look, it's nice. Sabi niya, Mommy, it's fine. I have a bag already. So hindi siya talaga super duper yung excited sa bagong bag. Tapos, na-convince kami ni Tita Misty niya na bumili nga na mas malaki kasi daw mas komportable yung bata kumilos. Tama rin naman, mas komportable yung bata kumilos. Mas may space. Kung may kailangang magdala ng jar sa school, kasi may jar sila at box na kailangan dalhin sa school. Pag kailangan niya dalhin yun, nandun na lang siya. Or in this case, nga, hiwalay yung lunch niya sa snack niya. So, yung snack niya, pwede niya ilagay dun sa bag. Tapos, yung lunch bag, yun na lang yung dadalhin ko sa kanya pag maghahatid na ako ng lunch. And ito yung bagong shoes ni Aiden. Ang ganda. Kasi green yung uniform niya sa school. So, we got that. Meron na sana yung black. Tapos, nakita rin to ng kanyang Tita Misty. Tapos sabi ko, ang cute. Pumila din ako. Dapat nga hindi pa. Kaya magpapasok na kasi next week. So, ano pa ba? 1 minute. And for Aiden naman, ang school bag ni Aiden is ito. Sale lang to guys. 700 ata yung pagkakabili ko. Nakuha ko siyang sale sa department store. Hindi naman daw pa kailangan ng digulong na bag. Kasi lunch lang ata yung dadalhin at saka meron siyang isang libro. So hopefully this is big enough na. Ayan. So meron din tayong biniling Bluey na pencil case. Bumili rin ako ng Bluey na lunch box na pang snack. Ayan. Pwede siya madala ng sandwich. Ano po, anik-anik. Yun nga lang, wala kasi siyang division. So, kung magdadala siya ng mga fruits na ganyan, parang hindi ko rin... Dapat pala meron din siya yung maliliit, Yung parang silicone, na para maghiwa-hiwalay yung... kung strawberries, ganyan. Kung may dala siyang strawberries, kung may dala siyang blueberries, para hiwa-hiwalay. May nakita kong ganun before eh. And then, water bottle na Bluey din. Pero may water bottle na naman siya. Mas ginagamit niya to kasi malaki. Pero pang school siguro, okay lang na may ganito para magmukhang pang bata. Kasi pang binata naman yung bag na nabili namin for him. Ang cute kasi. Diba? Pang binata. So, ayan. Yung mga nabili namin today. You wanna take a nap na? Samahan na nga natin siya sa taas. Kasi gusto niya na daw mag-nap. You have to change her clothes, ha? Yeah.
I need to wear blue shirt.
You have to take off your pants. Anyway. Turn off the light. Turn on the light. Go on. Get your clothes. Get your stuff.
Hi, Ate. We're back.
Who's ate? Who are you talking to? Ayan. Anyway, I'm just gonna change and get comfy. Tulog na yung daddy nila, Lily. Iniwan natin dito nakatulog na. Yan lang siya, hindi siya nakakatulog. Nahirapan siya matulog kapag walang video call. So, tatawag yan siya, tapos matutulog siya. Ganyan. Ayun lang, napabaganap natin. Pakita ko lang pala quickly yung nabili kong wallet ito. Ganyan lang siya, as in super simple. 300 lang to. Mango. Cute na siya, diba? Ayan lang. Super simple.
Take off your things.
Super simple. Cute. Good afternoon. Ganap for today is mag-uumpisa na ako mag-ayos ng gamit ng kids for school. Sunday ngayon, and ang first day of school nila is si Lily sa Wednesday, si Aiden sa Thursday. Komplikado siya for me kasi nga dalawa na yung estudyante ko. Pero susubukan natin siya. Yung mga nabili ko, meron ako dito yung mga binili ko for Lily. Meron tayo yung mga binili natin for Aiden. And meron tayong lists. Mahaba-haba siya. Ilalagay daw natin yan sa red, long plastic envelope with handle, color red for portfolio. So, ito siya. Ang nakalista dito, Crayola washable large crayons, 8 colors. Tapos, kailangan din pala natin ng hard plastic container. And wala pa akong plastic container. Yun natin kung mabibilan natin siya sa mall later on. We also need washable markers, 10 colors. Super tips nga lang yung nabili ko kasi wala akong mahanap nung medyo malalaki. Pero pag may nahanap tayo, palitan natin ito. 2 Mongol pencils. Yung Mongol pencils natin, nagpagawa ako ng may pangalan nila. So, dalawa lang daw. Ito yung kay Aiden. Colored pencils, 12 colors. 12 colors. Yung nabili ko lang 20 colors. Kasi gusto ko yung pencil niya is triangular. Para mas madali siyang matutong mag-grip. So, 10 colors lang yung binili ko. 20 colors. 3 tubs of Play-Doh. Any color. So, ang wala pa tayo is yung Spectra na tamang size. At saka yung lagayan ng kanyang crayons. Di talaga siya kasya, B. So, may yarn tayo dito. Give them blue. I don't know what to do. Kasi talaga hindi siya kasya. And then, tanungin ko na lang yung teacher if yung nalagyan, meron ba silang cubby doon sa
room nila. I'm not sure eh. But ayan. Parang mas marami niya yung requirements ni Eden compare kay Lily. Kasi wala pa silang notebooks. So more on ganitong activities lang talaga. Ito. Ayan, that way ilalabel ko na lang to siya. Later on. Hiwalay ko na kay Eden. Good morning! Good morning guys. Today is Wednesday and nasa loob ng therapy center pa si Eden. He has OT today. So, pipick upin na siya ngayon. Sassy at saka si Lily. Para pick upin si Aiden. Medyo natatagalan lang sila I think because of yung feedback. Kasi may feedback yan sila every after therapy. Anyway, basa pa yung buhok ko. Anyway, after nito, pag pinick up natin sila, dadaan lang ako for coffee somewhere. Kailangan makabili talaga ako ng coffee. And then we will go back sa school para sa dental check-up ni Aiden at saka ni Lily. Hindi ko pa nakakausap si Aiden again na kailangan namin bumalik sa school for the dentist at ano yung step by step yung gagawin. That way, hindi sila mabigla. So, yan yung gagawin natin. Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi magsa-school na siya soon. Next week, start na nila ng Thursday, I think, next week. So, medyo kinakabahan ako ng very, very light. Andito na pala sila. Mami tayo here now. Napatali niya yung buhok ko. Ba't ko pa pinatay yung camera? Sayang kasi hindi nakuha. Kasi tumitingin kami ng mga bahay. Si Sassy tsaka si Lily. Tumitingin ng mga bahay-bahay dito sa Ayala, Alabang. Tapos, nagagandahan sila sa mga bahay kasi nga malalaki, ganyan. Tapos sabi nila, please adopt us. Tapos sabi ni Lily, when auntie said, please adopt us, what did you say?
I said, not me, I'm staying with mom. They can adopt me.
Sayang, hindi nakuhanan ng actual. Gusto kong tuwa ko talaga sa ganyan, not me. I wanna stay with my
And
mom.
auntie said that we can all go there. And I'm like, oh yeah, we can just move out of the house.
Oh! We're not moving anymore!
Okay.
Do you wanna move? Do you know how hard it is to clean our house na nga? Oh. Diba? 6 hours a day.
We need books.
And then 6 hours every Sunday.
We need books.
Ha? Fully book or toy store? Oh, toy store ha. Sabi mo yan ha. Anyway, paglabas ng toy store, fully book. Yung dentist, wala, nagka-emergency. So, hindi siya makakapunta today. So, such a shame. Kasi talagang bumiyahe kami for that. But then, yun nga daw, bukas, may makeup naman daw. So, ito bukas ulit. Bukas ulit. Or Friday. Thursday or Friday. Yan yung punta natin doon. So, depende kung ano ko tomorrow. Nasa mood ako bumiyahe tomorrow. Kasi wala naman tayong ganap tomorrow, Thursday, di ba?
Friday na lang.
Friday, therapy ni Aiden, dalawa. So, possible na yun na lang. You have to look. Come here. Come here. So you can see. Look. Like this. Like this. The dentist will check your teeth like this. You see?
Sealants on the last molars. The molars at the back, permanent na yun ha.
Apo.
So palagyan natin ng sealants para mas magtagal siya sa loob ng bibig. Kasi pag nagsisipil yung bata hanggang dito lang yan, hindi nakakaabot sa dulo eh. So to prevent that from having cavities, sealants ang pinalalagay natin ha.
Kaya yung ngipin natin. Ganyan. Kasi walang season.
And alright, who's next?
Thank you po. Who's next?
Marco.
Kinakabahan po kami. Opo.
Kuya Marco.
Kuya Marco. Magpapawak ng kamay. Kinakabahan.
No, I got altitude. My teeth.
No, you don't have altitude. You don't have altitude. Altitude. He's
nervous. It's fine. A is brave.
For some cleaning and fluoride. Good job.
Good job, Marco. Oh, good job, Mommy.
Tama. Oh.
Anak. Sorry po. Give your paper first. Give your... It's fine.
Hold you. Oh, hold you from mom. Hold you from your mom.
Not on the mouth, on your ear. I'll hold you like this. No.
Alright, this is just,
It's not scary.
again, it's just a mirror.
Just a mirror, see? It's
I
not
cannot
ouchy.
pull out your teeth with this alone. See? Alright.
Check.
Okay, open wide. Wow, I like what I see inside.
No, just check.
a mirror.
Just check. Oh, put
You
your...
wanna hold one?
Oh, you wanna hold it?
Alright.
See? It's just a mirror. Oh, you can try. Oh, see?
Put down your hand. Put down your hand.
Open
So
your
I'd like
mouth.
to see what's
Ah.
inside.
Say ah.
Wow. Those are nice teeth.
Wow, you're doing
Hey, everything
good.
is good.
Like a spoon.
Very good.
What do you say?
Let's go to Tita Misty's car.
Oh, hindi tayo dun sa sakay.
Okay, wala kang permanent siyang ruler. So, antayin na lang.
What did Aiden say?
And it's
He said, let's go to
for
Tita
right now,
Misty's
we're
car.
doing just to check if he has new ones.
Here you go, Mommy.
Thank you po.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.